Getting this car out of this tight spot is actually very simple. You just need the right approach. That's why I always tell beginner drivers, watch as many different examples as you can to quickly develop your driving thinking. This car is stuck because there's not enough space on the right side. It can't turn the wheel far enough to the left, so the rear end gets stuck. I'll show you 2 ways to get out. Method 1. Adjust the front of the car to get out. First, you can see that this space is a bit longer than the car itself. So we can drive forward a little, then turn the wheel to the right and reverse. This takes advantage of the larger diagonal space. Then turn the wheel fully left and go forward, then turn fully right and reverse. That's how you adjust the front and get out. You could also just turn fully left and go forward, then turn fully right and reverse right away. But the space in front will be a bit smaller than the diagonal. Method 2. Adjust the rear of the car to get out. How do we move the rear end further out? First, drive forward toward the trash cans. Then do a side shift to the left while reversing. Turn the wheel to the left and reverse a little. This swings the rear end outward. Once the rear has room, turn the wheel to the right to straighten the front. Then drive straight forward. Now the rear end is further out, and there's more space on the right side too. So when you reverse, you can turn the wheel further to the left. And remember, every little bit you reverse gives you more room in front. You can also gradually increase the left turn. This way the rear end won't get stuck as easily. If after the shift the rear end is still a bit tight, just drive forward a little to give the rear more room. Then turn the wheel to the right again to straighten the front. This is basically doing the left reverse shift a second time. Each time you do a side shift to the left, the rear end moves a bit further out. So just keep repeating the shift until the rear end is free.